Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Elliott, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Elliott, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Off the record, who is the attorney for Antonio Vasquez? Oh, thank you. Okay, just give me a moment. All right.
Your Honor, like, if I may, just for the information for the court, she had gone through a competency evaluation,
Okay.
found to be competent. We were
Okay.
at the magistrate court yesterday,
Okay.
and the report has been filed.
All right. And was she actually, was her case actually heard in magistrate's court?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let me slow it down a little bit. So the true bill in the indictment tells you what you're charged with. Did you get a chance to review that with your attorney? And did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, are you waiving the reading of the indictment?
I am, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Elliott, did you review the court admonishments
Yes.
with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you- Yeah.
Taking it down, say it out loud, yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
You're charged in each count with robbery. Those are second-degree felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years and up to a $10,000 fine in each count?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she is competent.
Ms. Elliott, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on counts 1 and 2. There's a $1,000 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No motion, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 community service restitution hours, no contact with the Dollar General store, Krista Mata, Kristen Brandon, Jeremy Abbott, a mental health evaluation, and to follow the recommendations. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then how do you plead to count 1, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Count 2, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, state offers states one in attachments, and then I just do have one thing to add. That was our agreement. However, I just realized that the defendant caused a resisting arrest, so I was just gonna put on the record that I'll go ahead and TIC that cause.
All right, and what is the clause number that will be taken in consideration?
PP 005302.
Any objections to
No
that?
objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each count. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Not yet. Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client just at this point take into consideration that when it comes to court costs, I mean, not court costs, but you know, the fees and everything that she has to pay. At least right now, she's homeless.
Mhm.
Okay, and she has no job, so I don't want her to get into trouble. She probably is going to have to go to Haven for Hope and ask for assistance. I don't want her to set her up for failure in her probation. And I'm asking the court for any kind of assistance.
All right. So what's going on in your life? Why are you stealing from the Dollar
I
General?
made a poor decision, and it's just so unlike me, and really, I just don't know.
So where is your
Normally a
family?
Responsible person, have it all together, but. So I'm gonna need to look for employment, and
My question
Right.
is, where is your family?
my family is in Plano, Texas. My
Do you
mom,
want to be transferred to Plano, Texas?
we would prefer that, yes.
What county is that?
I'm not sure.
Does anybody know Plano?
I'm not sure, Your Honor.
Sorry, what? Spell that, please.
Collin.
All right. So transfer to Collin County. All right. Have you ever used any type of drugs in the past?
No,
So what is your mental health diagnosis?
it's schizoaffective, bipolar schizoaffective.
She is on medication presently, I believe, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their
I have
ages?
3. I have 2 10-year-olds and a 2.5.
All right. And where are they?
They're with our adopted parents.
Okay. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication in counts 1 and in count 2. Counts 1 and counts 2 will run concurrently. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, $1,000 fine probated, taking consideration 2025 CC 005302, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'll order parenting classes. Once she completes that, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. No contact with the Dollar General store. Christia Mata, Christian Braden, Jeremy Abbott. There's to be a transfer to Collin County, a MIC evaluation in custody, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, TAP evaluation in custody, follow recommendations. If Plano has field visits 1 time per month for 6 months, there's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. This is going to be very difficult for you because you don't have a place to stay yet. You're being transferred to Plano. When you get transferred to Plano, you need to make sure you stay in contact with your probation officer. If something happens, you can't reach them, you can always call back for this court, okay?
Okay,
All right, good luck to you.
thank you very much.
You're
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Antonio Vasquez?